Okay, guys. We just started off the day with Sinisty. Let's get into this raid. It's a remote raid.
We don't have the rules.
Okay. Well, we're doing the Sinisty raid, yeah. All right. Let's go to. It's Mega Evolve. Oh my God. Mega Evolve. Because hey, Giovanni. Sup?
Hey, what's up? How you doing? What's up, man?
You guys don't want a shiny?
We didn't get a shiny yet. Where you got a shiny?
What?
Where you got a Hariyama?
Pick that up.
You invited people already.
Pikachu.
Wow, how do you get so much shinies?
Ember.
Wait, do you have any remote raid passes?
Yeah.
Alright, there's a Sinisty raid.
And my turn. Wait, look at all
Do you have Sinisty yet?
What?
Yeah. There's a raid over here.
Wait. That's 35 of these.
35 Kira?
I've been grinding for the shinies. Wait, what's the Pokemon?
Sinisty.
Mm.
If you go to the...
Oh, yeah, I do have it.
You do? Okay.
Yeah, but there's two kinds of forms.
Oh yeah. There's that one form. I'm battling like the first form, I think, something like that.
Wait, didn't you get one during the Genesect one? Like we did the Genesects? Like not the one-
yeah. Oh yeah, we did. I did.
Yeah, like not like the last one, like with all the forms, like with the two.
I didn't get the second form. I only got this one form.
Waiting for more people to get here.
Yeah, everybody's showing up over there. Wait, isn't that the host?
John?
I think so.
No, that's not John.
No. The guy in the black shirt? I don't know. No, that's not him.
No, that's not John.
No. He just has that. This Sinisty?
My uncle got the 4-star. He got that. Can I show you my 4 stars?
Sure. Did you get any more new ones?
No. But look how, wait, I finally met my goal for the shinies. 101 shinies.
Nice. Got
I've been
101.
playing like for 8 months.
Jason, you okay with wings?
Yeah, sure. I love it. Wings Plus? Probably. Yeah. Good.
Oh, Zekrom?
Is that calm? What?
Ooh.
Shiny? Why are you so lucky with shinies?
That's
He is.
crazy, right?
I know.
It's wild.
Wait a second. This costs less Mega Evolutions.
What? Oh yeah, when you Mega Evolve it once, it costs less and less. And so, like, look at this one. It costs 0 Mega Energy. Because I Mega Evolved it so much times, there's 0 Mega Energy, so I don't even have any. Lucky shiny. Oh, not shiny. But ooh. I only have 1 Mega Energy, and I can evolve it.
Wait, man, do you get all of the ones that you did that you needed for the shiny Kyurem?
You finish them?
Oh,
No, I still didn't, but I got this shiny
can you show me
earlier.
the other one? Like, wait, how many more do you need?
How many more?
Yeah, did you need for it? Oh.
Oh.
Wait, let me
I don't know how to
see.
spell Kiram.
Wait.
Yeah, I thought it was that. Okay. Oh, I only have 280 out of. I might need to separate it.
Oh no.
Okay.
No, if you separate it, you're gonna lose all those candies that you used.
Oh.
Yeah, you cannot refuse it. You need to get all the energy back.
Oh. Oh. I had a shiny Necrozma,
Necrozma?
but I
Oh, yeah, right. I have a shiny background.
have this, but I only have 360 for the next one. I mean I think I unfused it once. I don't know if I unfused it, but whatever.
I've been there. Look.
At least you have a shiny.
With a background, at least.
Yeah. I didn't even have a background with mine.
Oh, no. My dad sent me this.
Oh.
Shiny Zekrom for shiny Zekrom.
There's only like 10 people showing up, I think. Oops. There's only
Where is everybody?
right there. I don't know. Oh, there's 49 people. Last time I checked, there was 10.
What do you mean by 49 people?
49 people showing up. They attended it,
Attended what?
like to come here. So they say, "All right, I'm gonna come here." They checked in.
I think they checked in. Wait, so 40? Wait.
49 people. "49 people checked in."
There's gonna be 53 people.
53.
Yeah, counting all
Oh,
four of
51
us.
now.
55?
I think there's more people over there, and there's one person right there. There's a couple people over there, I think, and there's 4 of us.
Wait, can we see?
It's like 5, 7. All right, there's 2 more people.
Okay, what
Some
shiny
people just-
do you want to see?
Let's see if you have this shiny.
I'm going to
Not sure.
Forces.
Oh, 4-star. Okay.
Bro, I think I have to do something about this.
All right, I got my shiny, and see if you have this one. You guys can see it on screen anyway, so I don't know why I'm showing you. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta go. All right. Do you have this Shundo or shiny?
No.
No.
Well, I did get 4 in a row, shinies.
Oh yeah, from the Ho-Oh, I remember that.
If
You were
you
so
don't
lucky
know
on that day.
what Ho-Oh reference I'm talking about, check it out in this video if you haven't seen it already.
I feel like you're the most luckiest Pokemon Go trainer in this whole country.
No way.
Okay, there's got to be more than 51 people showing up. Yeah.
It's a Wednesday.
Yeah, today's literally like a bird's. Today's
Yeah.
the Moltres.
Oh, started 59 minutes ago. Wait, no, it didn't. What? No, it's what? Okay. Ooh, a Noctowl. I gotta catch this on this phone. See you guys in something. I don't know. Okay, guys. Can only record to so much. Right? There's only 8 people, but it's fine.
It should be
I
funny.
really like the shiny color.
Of the
It's a
color?
it's like a yellow or golden.
which one?
Lucario.
Oh yeah, it's golden or yellow. Okay.
I press ready.
I pressed ready. Who hasn't pressed ready? Come on, people. Press ready.
3 people. Oh my.
What?
There's 11 people.
11 people?
Good for us.
12 actually now.
Actually. Last time.
Okay.
That's happened a lot of times.
Yeah.
Yeah, the people who didn't ready up are gonna have to ready up now.
Yeah. Everybody's ready now. Woo. What are you using?
Vacuum.
I'm using Mega Rayquaza. Rayquaza,
What?
sorry. Mega
You have
Rayquaza.
Rayquaza?
I have Mega.
Oh yeah. Are you using that Mega Rayquaza?
Oh, no, it died.
Which one are you using?
I'm using Pyroar.
Oh, I saw you.
Oh.
What's up?
$250 Mega Energy, guys. Not shiny. Okay, we got it on the first ball.
Yeah.
Because you can get drone.
Alright, guys, we just gotta execute.
You got this shiny yesterday?
No.
I got it during the.
We got 420 candy for execute. I didn't even know that. Okay, we just did a Mega Lucario raid.
You got a Shundo. Oh. Shiny Ho-Ho?
I do.
Oh, that's
Me.
He had to.
Forgot to quick catch.
I was late.
Either way.
What's up, man? You guys.
You got to another shiny film so you can make one?
I never got a shiny.
Oh, you didn't get one?
No. 19 raids that day, and I did not get a shiny. None of us got a shiny.
Yeah, I got a shiny purified Shundo purified Ho-Oh.
Crazy.
The weekend, they're going to have like the mega max originals again.
Oh, yeah.
This weekend, you said?
What's gonna happen?
This
Yeah,
weekend.
remember. He's lucky.
Alright. Spin this up.
Great. I have it.
If we walk it slower, we're not gonna make it.
Yeah.
Electro.
I'm gonna waste my storage.
Please walk fast.
Oh.
No, that's my dad.
Are you in?
I'm in. I just joined it. Yep.
I just counted all of us.
There's only 7 people in this one.
Wait, man, do you see the IVs on the mystery one?
Oh no, I didn't.
You know how you got like
We
a
ready?
You know how you got a mystery? How do you say yeah?
Ready up?
He got a
Are you
mystery.
ready?
Yeah.
Hello. On my new account.
No, yeah. No, no, you got a special restaurant, right? Like the,
Ready? Okay. Everybody ready up.
I did.
Is you ready up? Oh no, you're not playing.
No, my phone's at home.
Oh.
Oh.
Did you ready up?
You didn't play today?
And also, what is that?
What is what? That cat?
No, actually, I swear one of you guys will drink Dynamax, not those one Dynamax.
We only have 7 people in this one.
I have one Dynamax Moltres, one Dynamax Archino, and one Dynamax Zapdos.
You know I can trade you.
I don't have any of the Dynamax birds. I missed that day. I forgot all about it.
Much.
Oh.
You know he has a shiny.
Wait, you're using the shiny?
No, I'm not. I don't have it.
Did I get a Zapdos?
Oh.
You have the shiny Zapdos Dynamax. You got the shiny
He got
Articuno
that.
Dynamax. You got the shiny Moltres Dynamax.
Yeah, you did.
You got the shiny Moltres Dynamax right here. Like on the desk. It was over there.
I'm thinking about getting a Pokemon Go shoe for some reason.
Someone has a Galarian.
Wait, do you have
The
this?
shiny across the street from the church.
That's my dad.
That like
Oh, in the neighborhood?
That was
Yeah.
my
That's,
dad.
I think it's right here.
The shiny Articuno.
Oh, you have the Articuno.
Yeah, I know.
I never knew you had that. When did you get that? Bro, guess what I saw on Campfire?
Benjamin, after this, I'll log out and you can.
Someone with the unknown shiny. I was so jealous.
Yeah, I saw it like. Yeah, I was jelly.
Oh
I
my-
was like
which
so
letter?
jealous. The unknown?
Bro,
Yeah,
I
the
was
which letter
literally
though?
jelly.
Huh?
Do you remember which letter it was?
It was the
I
O.
have it in my head.
O.
No, I have it in my head.
Just
It wasn't
after
O.
this raid, I'll
I think it was like
check
V.
campfire.
I think it was V.
I'll check campfire to see where it is, or what letter it is. It's still
Wait.
there.
If it has like a infinite sign and it has like a little like glasses sign, like if it's like a glasses,
I
like
literally
if
forgot
you
about
like,
this. I forgot. I forgot about this.
It is a
Did you get all the light fusion energy?
yeah, I got 4.
wait, where can you get all of the ultra?
Why?
I did the 2.
Why is this taking forever?
How much did you guys play on Sunday?
Hey man, where do you get all the ultra beams?
I'm using a Sudowoodo.
I was from a long time ago. I have Buzzwolf, Velosa,
Wait, you have, wait, you can still get them?
I got home and I did the 3
not
raids.
anymore. They're not I don't think they're gonna come back. Maybe they come back, but
Oh, Gio, we're sorry we were
Gio,
here on Sunday.
Giovanni.
We didn't have
It-
time.
Oh, and
if-
I have a Guzzlord.
Fluffy didn't.
If you
He had those.
It-
He has the shiny Guzzlord.
do you have a Pheromosa? The little bug lady?
Yeah, like that. Like she's like.
2405. What's the hundo? What is the hundo?
Whoa! I thought it was 100 for. I thought it was
I
shiny
got
for a second, but it
2444
was
on
the
that.
Oh, I'm birdie.
Wait, mine is 2000
3
CP and it's
stars.
weather boosted.
Oh, I got bad IVs. I
wait,
think the
what's your
hundos. My CP is. My CP is 2405. The hundo, I don't know.
What's the hundo?
I don't know.
His was
2405. And this is the IVs.
Mine's 24.
It's
And
gonna be
24,
around 80 because that's 44. And
What happened?
This is the hundo. It's not really good. I mean, it's not the hundo,
Oh,
but it's.
Yeah.
He got less. He got 2419.
Mine is 2453.
Wait, I got
Oh.
it.
you're closer than us.
I got it.
You got it? Let's see what it is. It's gonna be a 1 star. Oh, wait, what?
It's still 3 stars.
Huh? Huh? What?
Where's Mama?
Yes. Boom, that's done.
Okay, alright, Giovanni, you want to trade it for a room?
Oh,
Giovanni, oh, there you are. Back. You only have 1?
I'm big.
I can trade you this. Here, I'm gonna just go to my thingies real quick to my
You have
things.
198 shinies.
Yeah. He has 101. I've been playing for a while.
I have 166. Gee, how much do you have?
101. That is pretty good.
I've been playing since 2018. I had an old account from 2018 to 2020, but now this one's from 2020 to
I have
2025 now.
101 and I've been playing for how much? 8 months?
That's crazy.
How long have you been
I've
playing
been
for?
playing for 8 months.
I started in 2022.
Oh,
I'm very new. Except I know what shinies are. Oh, sorry.
you know what shinies are?
yeah.
Isn't that what a normal Pokemon player
See, I'm
knows?
39. I'm almost level
My mom doesn't even play Pokemon Go. She knows what a shiny is.
My favorite shiny.
there's a Zapdos.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
My
It literally just escaped.
Here, why can't I see my
One of
ultra?
my favorite shinies.
Oh, Squish shiny
Benjamin?
combo.
This is another one. I love this.
Oh, I have that too.
You
I
guys,
have a
it's
Mega
almost
Evolved.
my birthday.
We traded.
Do you guys know that it's almost my birthday?
You need a birthday Pokemon. I'm trading you right
You need a birthday Pokemon.
When's your birthday, Gio?
March 26th.
now. Oh, no, birthday Pokemon. I gave him a shiny Groudon. What do you want for your birthday?
I never got a birthday Pokemon before.
Oh, yeah.
Gregory, my boy. No.
I'm kidding. I was kidding.
Do you have this, Giovanni? You probably do.
Is that a Honda?
No, I don't think so.
Oh.
It's not. It's
Bro, I
Oh, I
really
thought
like the
wait, that's
Why
turning
do
into a
I have
Mega
the
for a
shiny Mewtwo since
What
it's
does
a
Goofy Professor want?
Professor.
Yeah.
Like his face is like.
I have a Zarude from
Wait, do you have a
2020.
shiny-
No, you can give me this.
Yeah, no.
You can give me the Mudkip.
Look at this. Hundo Melton.
I'm
That's a
kicking.
mythical, so that's flex.
What?
It's identified.
You can give me this.
Hold up, 1 second.
Zigzagoon
I'll do
or the
I got a Hundo Melton.
What?
Where'd it go? Yeah, I got a Hundo Melton. Are you? This is a flex, right? It's a flex. It's a flex.
Where's the
Flex.
Flexi.
Yep.
Melton.
That's a great flex.
Hey.
I thought you said that you didn't have your phone. No, this is my account.
I'll let him use my phone.
One person sent me
I bet like 5 people sent me a friend request. Yeah, I guessed the amount of people that sent me a friend request, and I was right. Yeah.
Let me guess.
Oh no.
My friend list is full. Nah, bruh.
All my shiny legendaries.
449 is the max friend limit.
Wait, it has to be a shiny legend. Wait,
This is my favorite shiny.
Something
Out of all my
Oh.
Pokemon, this is my favorite. Remember, Dad?
wait.
Remember this?
I have this. It's not that special, but I mean,
Wait,
Yeah, I've
wait,
seen a lot
this is
of
how
them.
much shiny.
I got a Mega Lucario. Oh my god, that's good IVs. Look at this.
No!
What?
Look.
Wait, nah.
Wait, let me show you on this. When I got my first ever Zapdos, it was so fire. I'm like, I'm gonna add people.
No, last ball!
I hate that last ball screen. All right. Kung Fu. Wait, you got a Kung Fu?
No, the guy.
The guy.
Like the couple.
Oh my god.
Yeah, yo, that little bear is.
It's sick though.
I'm
Really
on
sick.
your Shin.
What?
I'm on your Shin video.
Yeah. Let's go. This guy's tire is turned. That. Okay. I swear, if I get a shiny Zapdos, I'm gonna freak out.
I mean, honestly, no offense, Pokemon, but you could have made shiny Zapdos a little bit better.
Yeah. Wait, what is the shiny again?
His beak is more orange. It's
Ugh.
well, his beak is orange, and his yellow just becomes dark.
Want to know something cool? So,
What?
shiny Articuno and shiny Moltres.
The worst shiny
Of all the
Pokemon
birds-
is Gengar.
Oh, it doesn't even change color, buddy.
Exactly. That's why it's
Gary,
the worst.
Percy,
No, but I mean, Giovanni, like, it doesn't even change color.
Are you sure?
Oh my god, look at these big ants.
Step on them.
Just keep moving.
I'm gonna step on you guys.
Oh, now I know that.
I got 3 rare candy.
Hunt. That's the name of the guy.
Giovanni?
H.L. Hunt is the
How much-
You know why I
He's so
called this
bad,
guy
there is
Mega
an
Gengar?
episode
Why?
3 just for that guy.
Because this.
Really?
Dun 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 dun.
He had like
Yeah, right.
super Christians. But he has
I like your haircut, Giovanni.
and when
Or
they
your-
touch him, he has to
yeah.
shush the other wives
I like that
for a bunch of
The mohawk's pretty cool, yeah.
I got a haircut too.
because he was like
My hair used to reach all the way here. Gio, remember when my hair was right here? Yeah.
I opened your gift, so now we are now great friends. My dad has a shiny
He has the shiny.
of Zapdos.
Oh, Zapdos.
You know, my dad during the Dynamax bird thing. Guess what?
What?
The first day, Articuno, he got the shiny. Second day, Zapdos, he got the shiny. Third day, he got the Moltres shiny. What? Like what?
Ah, I'm still couching my Zapdos.
going down on the middle of the street.
Let's just stop here and talk.
Yeah.
Giovanni, do you think you're gonna at the end of this month you're finally gonna get 200 shinies?
Yeah. Because I'm gonna get.
Oh my God, I hate this Zapdos. It keeps flying away.
Yo, you have a shiny.
It's a fairy. I don't even know what gender it is, so I can't say that. They were a fairy. It was a fairy.
Look at this.
Oh, bet. I have
Oh
a shiny
my
Warrior.
God. I love the new Pokedex entry thing.
Yeah,
It's sick, it's sick.
actually better.
Oh, nice. Oh, shiny!
Nice.
Let's go.
Wait,
I
after
got a shiny Zapdos.
taking away the shiny.
I got the worst shiny. Let's go. The worst shiny ever I got. Besides Gengar, it's the worst shiny. All right, I will.
Does anyone want to go to Moe's?
I got a shiny. Oh yeah, he's up because I got a shiny. Yeah, I got a shiny. Oh, you want to lick a shiny?
You guys did Moe's?
Should I use my Master Ball?
No!
I don't know. I don't think I should use my Master Ball.
Freaking Zapdos? No.
Oh, he's gonna lick my butt.
What? You were trying to lick your butt cheek.
Alright, Benji. You gotta go, buddy.
I caught it on the first ball.
Sorry, Gio.
Or second, actually. Shiny, yes.
Well done.
Thanks. All right, let's see if it's a Shundo.
Alright, say bye to Gio.
Shundo would be.
That'd be crazy, but it's almost.
Wait, it almost
I hate
is.
this. That's a 97. Dad, I got a 97 shiny Zapdos.
Holy dude.
Wait, can I see that?
What was the
Wait.
CP?
14, 14, 15.
So 14, 14, 15, or 97?
14, 14, 15.
Yep.
96.
96, 97, something like that.
Anyone want to go there?
Let's go.
That's the one we just did.
Oh, we did?
Hi, boys. See you, Gio.
All right.
Take care, kids.
Oh, there's so much shiny.
What's going on, guys? Yo,
Oh.
Gio, what's up? What's going on, buddy?
Yo.
All right.
What's ready we doing next?
They're going to Mullins Hall. I'm probably gonna head that way. I just got here. That was my first raid of the night.
Oh,
So, about to go head that way. Do one more.
Could you do me a favor? I just need to fight someone for a mission, so I just want to scan someone's code if you don't mind.
Let's catch this.
the max friendship.
Are you kidding?
The max friendship level is 449. All right. There's other ones. You just want to sit down in the chair. Look how cool that looks in the dark chair. Dad, can I sit in the chair?
Okay, I don't know, like, if I, have to full
Well,
fight.
it's about time to go, bud.
Good. I think you probably get a notification. There we go.
There's 4 people in the Articuno raid all the way over there.
Bro.
Kill it.
Escaped.
It actually the raid started at 5. I saw a raid at 5.
No? Yeah, that's good.
Or, I mean 4, not 5.
So,
Sorry.
what are you missing then? You didn't get any.
Zapdos or
Okay.
No, 5 o'clock. I saw a Zapdos raid for
We
some
weren't
reason.
here at 5 o'clock.
No, I know, but when we were driving to get here, I saw it. All right.
Now the Zapdos is all the hell over.
All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.